Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by creating your Android app in Android Studio and choosing your language and Min SDK. Then, in the Firebase console, create a project and register your Android package name so Firebase issues a Google Services JSON file, download it, and place it in app/. Once done, add the Google Services plugin to the project level and app level Gradle and include the Firebase BOM dependency. This wires Gradle to fetch compatible SDKs. Make sure to sync so Android Studio downloads the libraries and verifies the project setup. Next, you add the concrete Firebase features your app needs. Include the BOM and then Auth, Firestore, Analytics, or storage artifacts in the app Gradle. Sync Gradle and let Android Studio download the SDKs. Initialization is automatic for most SDKs, but you can call Firebase app. Initialize app, this in application. On create to be explicit. Also, add your apps SHA1 and SHA256 in the Firebase console if you plan to use Google Sign-in or dynamic links, and configure Firestore or real-time database rules. Finally, implement Firebase feature calls. Authenticate, read/write Firestore, upload storage, using background threads or coroutines and lifecycle-aware observers so you don't leak contexts. Test on a device or emulator with Google Play services and verify events in Logcat and the Firebase console. Build a release, include Pro Guard rules for Firebase, and upload your signed app to enable services like dynamic links. If something goes wrong, check Logcat for API key errors and ensure Google services. JSON matches the package name and SHA keys. That fixes most auth and init failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.